Hello, traders out there in trader land. My name's Des Woodruff. I am a mentor and senior analyst here at Grok Trade. It is Wednesday, September 29th, 2010, all day long. And the markets did a whole lot of nothing on small volume. And here it is. The Dow down 0.2%, the S&P down about the same, a little less than that on the NASDAQ and the Russells, which are leading the charge. And the bank also down just a bit. But what we have here is the VIX up more than 3%, which there's a lot of fear, which doesn't surprise me because tomorrow morning we have the GDP coming out, and very few people know what that report's going to be. That will happen at 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. So that is 1 hour before the markets even open. And I am happy to be hedged going into that report because I don't know what's going to happen. And I found out years ago it didn't make any sense to try to guess because the market's going to do whatever the markets are going to do. So I will play what we see. If I see a significant pop tomorrow over 1150, gang, 1150 on the S&P, that will be very bullish. But let me tell you what I will be looking for intraday. I'll be looking forward for a big run up and then a correction taking place and giving it all back. So these head fakes, these breakouts that turn out to be fake outs, happen all the time. So if we do get a big run, I'm not going to get too excited. I will play it to the upside intraday. I will take my hedges off, but re-add them on any weakness on that extension if we get this. Now, the other thing that could absolutely happen is a big correction taking place. I do see support coming up around this 1130 area. 1130 would be a big one. If we bust below 1140, gang, oh, I mean, we're in a lot of trouble. But our last hope is at 1130 area, technically 1129.25. If we start busting below those levels, you know, chances are we're going to start correcting in this market, and we'll see a nice little pullback taking place here. So, gang, today solar did exceptionally well. First Solar, JASO, JASO, LDK, Energy, ENER, TSL. And I mean, there's a lot of great movement taking place out there in the markets. And so, especially in energy, the question is energy on a move right now? Perhaps. I think energy has been beat down quite a bit, so there's a good chance that energy could be on a roll, and it could be our next leg up, you know, our next hot sector. Matter of fact, that was the big talk on the floor on the exchanges today has been solar. That was huge. So, what's going to happen on the GDP? Anybody's guess. I just guess that we'll get some movement. Hey, this morning pre-market, hey, put me to the test. Go back to today's Wednesday, September 29, 2010 pre-market video. Listen to that video and listen what I said about what I thought would happen today. And there it is. It happened. Those pre-market videos are priceless to day traders and intraday traders. Priceless. So tell your friends, get on board. Don't miss out on this priceless information and education. And you get the very best here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Yes, it's the world's longest URL. And this is where the action is. And if you'd be so kind, share us with a friend, share us with a colleague, pass us around, let people know about us. And on top of that, there's a little like button right below you. Click like. If you'd be so kind, I would sincerely appreciate that. And one other thing, if you want to, this is my personal Facebook account, Des Woodruff. Look me up on Facebook. Let's team up on Facebook. Take care. Safe trading to you. We'll see you tomorrow morning. And listen, don't miss out in the chat room because when we get this activity in the markets tomorrow, there'll be a buzz in the chat room. Join us. Take care.